Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Aina and welcome to my vlog. So for today's content, we are going to discuss tag questions, and I am going to give you some tips on how you're going to use it with my special guest, because I have invited two guests here coming from Western Mindanao State University English majors. So let's welcome our first guest, Miss Angel May Salamanya Paradero.
Hi everyone!
Other guest is Miss Rhea Rose Pañales.
Hi!
What is tag question? So a tag question is a special construction in English. It is a statement followed by a mini question. We use tag questions to ask for confirmation, and they mean something like, is that right? Or do you agree? So these are common in English. And there are some rules in using tag question. So, namely, our first rule is 1. To make a tag, use the same auxiliary verb found in the statement. Second, if there is no auxiliary verb, use do, does, and did. Third, if the statement is in positive form, make a negative tag. But if the statement is in negative form, make a positive tag. And always remember that the statement and the tag are always separated by a comma. There are two types of statements in tag question: the positive and the negative statement. But to elaborate more, Miss Angel May will be going to discuss the positive statement, while Rhea Rose Pañales will be going to discuss the negative statement.
Hello everyone! So this day, I'm going to explain to you the positive statement. So, if having a positive statement, that means that our tag question will be negative. So, I'll be giving you an example. An example is, snow is white. What do you think is the tag question? The tag question will be, isn't it? Because as what Miss Aina Lopez explained to you earlier, that if there is an auxiliary verb, then that is what we are going to use in our tag question. So since in our statement, snow is white, the auxiliary verb there is, then that is what we are going to use. And since our statement, as what I have said earlier, that it is positive, then let's negate our tag question. So the whole statement will be, snow is white, isn't it? Our second statement is, the moon goes round the earth. What do you think is our tag question? Basing on what Miss Aina Lopez again explained to you earlier, that if there is no auxiliary verb, you're going to observe the statement if it is a simple present and simple past, and also a positive statement, then we'll be going to use the do, the does, and the did. So basing our statement, the moon goes around the earth. So as we observe, our subject there is singular, which is the moon, and it is a present tense. That is why what we're going to use is the does. And since our statement is a positive statement, we're going to negate our tag question. Therefore, our whole statement will be, the moon goes round the earth, doesn't it?
The second statement is negative. For example, it isn't raining, is it? So in this example, isn't is the contraction of the word it is not. So it makes the word negative because of the word not. So the second example is that you don't like coffee, do you? So in this example, don't is the contraction of the word you do not. So it makes the statement negative because of the word don't. So as we observe in the two examples, the two statements are negative because of the word not. And so as we have observed, the negative verb in the negative statement is changed to positive in tag.
Just always remember the rules in making the tag question. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell right there to get notified when I posted my new informational video. That ends in here. Masalamat!
So our second statement is our second statement is ano naman dyan yun?